For more videos, please like, subscribe, comment and share my channel. And for your support, I will be grateful for you all. Thank you. Question is given this one. Triangle PQR or PQ আৰু PR ওপৰত বাহুৰ ওপৰত ক্ৰমে E আৰু F দুটা বিন্দু আৰু তলৰ প্ৰতিটো ক্ষেত্ৰতে EF is parallel to QR হয় নে নহয় পৰীক্ষা কৰা। সো মানগিটা দি দিছে তাত তোমালোকে চোৱা। So now question is given this one. What? That is what? E and F are points on the sides. Yes. PQ and PR respectively. Yes. Then of a triangle PQR, for each of the following cases state whether EF is parallel to QR or not. So this is your question. Okay, so this is your question. I am going to solve this one. Since in case of first one, question number 2 to answer solution. Here see given, you write given dia ase what? In triangle PQR, E and what? F are points on the sides PQ, yes, and PR respectively. অসমীয়াত লিখিলে তোমালোকে এটো খুব ধুনিয়াকে লিখি লব পৰা একো নাই একেভাগে লিখি লব লাগে চিত্ৰত ট্ৰায়াঙ্গল PQR ৰ E আৰু F পইণ্ট দিয়া আছে এই কথাত তোমালোকে ধুনিয়া লিখি লব লাগে অৰ্থাৎ PQ আৰু PR বাহুৰ ওপৰত কমে E আৰু F দুটা বিন্দু আৰু প্ৰতিটো ক্ষেত্ৰতে EF is parallel to QR হয় নে নহয় আমি পৰীক্ষা কৰিব লাগে so respected diagram will be this one. Then take this one is triangle. A triangle to tumalke loi lua. You must use scale and pencil to draw this type of figure. Any this one. So name it as P Q R. So this is most important. So E and R the points. So let this is E and R points. Yes, that is E. This one is E point and this one is R point. Not E and what given? E and F. So that is F point. Not R. This is F point. That is E point. Yes, that is F point. So this is your respective diagram. So in case of first one, you see one here given what? Say here PE this equal to 3.9 cm. Yes. EQ equal to given 3 cm. And PF is given 3.6 cm. Okay. And FR is given what? 2.4 cm. So these are all cm. Okay, this question just I am searching from there, so no problem. Yes, so values are given there, মান বিলাক তাত দিয়া আছে, just বহুৱাই দিলে হৈ যায়. Okay, then what happened? So now এতিয়া অসমীয়া লিখিলে লিখিবা এতিয়া কি পাও? PE by EQ. Yes, this equal to what? Put the value PE is equal to what? 3.9 centimeter and EQ equal to what? 3 centimeter. So after dividing this one, we will get this one 1.3. Let that is equation number 1. So if you take this one as equation, then it is easier for you. N aru get arrow. Okay, arrow. Next one is what? PF by F what? R. PF by FR. This equal to what? 3.6. Write the value from there. That is given in your question. It question of dia ase just value kita sai bohuai dile hobo. So this equal to what? 3 by 2. Yes, this equal to 1.5 centimeter. Yes, that is equation number 2. Let that is equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, you write from equation 1 and 2. সমীকৰণ 1 আৰু 2 পৰা আমি পাওঁ তো উই হেভ আমি পাওঁ কি বুলি লিখিব লাগিব সমীকৰণ 1 আৰু 2 পৰা আমি পাওঁ so what we will get this one see this is the equation 1 this is equation 2 so this will be give what PE by EQ correct yes this not equal to this one PF by what FR see this one the value of this one is what 1.3 and value of this one is what 1.5 ইয়াৰ মানটো হল 1.3 1.3 and আৰু ইয়াৰ মানটো হল 1.5 definitely এই দুটা সমান নহয় গতিকে এই দুটা সমান নহয় গতিকে আমি লিখিব পাৰো যে কি লিখিব পাৰো therefore what EF is not parallel to this one EQ so now EF is not parallel to what QR আমাক প্ৰতিটো ক্ষেত্ৰতে পৰীক্ষা কৰিব গৈছে যে QR EF QR parallel হয় নে নহয় পৰীক্ষা কৰা গতিকে আমি পালো যে দুটা সমান নহয় গতিকে এটো আমাৰ parallel নহয় because EF does not divide the two sides PQ and PR of triangle PQR in the same ratio that is the reason so now we can say it is not parallel okay ই সমান্তৰাল নহয় now condition that is 2 question 2 here given what see what given this one P equal to 4 centimeter EQ equal to 4.5 centimeter and PF equal to 8 centimeter aru yes and RF equal to 9 centimeter so now we can write here also you can write here or given yat dia ase ba you can write yat ba dia ase anyone you can write ba dia ase ba proshno mote from the question also you can write so P equal to what you write P equal to 4 cm yes Q equal to what 4.5 cm okay then PF equal to what you see PF equal to given 8 cm yes then RF equal to RF not E RF that is F this equal to what given RF equal to what given secure question 9 centimeter so now what we can do ite ei মান gita ami yat keneke boham ki korim ami saw now ite ami janu ki janu PE equal to EQ that means PE by EQ this equal to what is given P is what 4 then EQ equal to what 4.5 that is given in your question so you just write down this one so this will be what directly we can write then this will make what 4 1 I am going to do this one then this will be 45 yes therefore point value 1 then after then 1 0 this equal to what 40 by 45 this equal to what 8 by 9 let that is equation number 1 eto সমীকৰণ 1 বুলি ধৰি লোৱা আৰু n what is there PF by now remaining part will be what PF by FR compare with that opposite one yes compare with opposite one then this is what 8 by 9 yes 8 by 9 okay let that is equation number 2 to do you know সমীকৰণ বুলি ধৰি লোৱা so from equation 1 and 2 we have from equation yes 1 and 2 we have সমীকৰণ 1 আৰু 2 পৰা আমি পাওঁ কি পাওঁ see this is equation 1 this is equation 2 yes so both we have what last value is what 8 by 9 and here also we have got 8 by 9 দুইটাতে আমি মানগিটা কি পালো 8 by 9 পালো আৰু এটুটো 8 by 9 এ পালো তো definitely এটু কি হ'ব সমান হ'ব okay then that will be equal yes then we can write this one is what P E okay P E by EQ this equal to what? This one, PF by FR. Okay, so now we can write this implies what? EF is parallel to what? QR, অর্থাৎ EF QR সমান্তৰাল হয়. So we can write this one. This is also converse of Thales theorem. Okay, so this reason is what? Since EF divides the two sides PQ and PR of triangle PQR in the same ratio, therefore what? Therefore EF is parallel to QR. Okay, so now the third problem is given what? PQ is the value of PQ equal to 1.28 centimeter. PR equal to what given? You see 2.56 centimeter. P equal to 0.18 centimeter and PF equal to 0.36 centimeter. Yes. So now we can write this one, question number that 2 part 3 answer. So here also given what? Given or as per question দিয়া আছে বা প্ৰশ্ন মতে. Okay, so you write this one, PQ equal to what? 1.28 cm. Yes, so if you write down this one, then it make easier for you all. PR this equal to 2.56 cm. Yes, centimeter. Yes, P equal to 0.18 centimeter and PF equal to what? 0.36 centimeter. You write the unit centimeter which is given in your question. So now what happened? We can find out this one EQ easily. Therefore you write EQ equal to what? EQ equal to definitely PQ minus P. From the figure we just subtract this one to get this one. So figure was this one. You see, this is the figure. Yes. Okay, so now EQ, to get EQ, yes, what you will do? You have to subtract PQ and PE. Yes, PE, then you will get this one, this part. Okay, so this is most important one. So the value of this one already has given, so now put this value there. Okay, so this equal to what? PQ equal to what then? 1.28 minus P equal to what is given? 0.18 centimeter you write. So this equal to what? 1.10 cm centimeter. So now we are getting this, the value of this one is what? This one. So EQ equal to what? This one. Now N you write, N FR equal to what? FR equal to what? PR minus PF. Okay, so FR equal to PR, this means what? This one, FR, that is FR. Okay, so to get the value of this one, we must subtract PR from PF. Yes, then we will get the value of this one. Okay, so this is the meaning of this one. So now write the value from there. এতিয়া তোমালোকে তাত value কিটা বহাই দিয়া. 2.56 the value of this one PR and 0.36 is the value of PF. Yes, then this equal to what? 2.20 centimeter. Yes. So now we can write this one from there, and next part we can do what we can do this one. Now we need this one. You write now. Okay, PE by what? EQ. Okay, this equal to what? 0.18 by 1.10. Write down the value from here. Yes, just put there. So this equal to what? 18 by 110. After removing this one point, shifting point there, we will get this one, then 9 by 55. So let us equation number 1 or 3 or 4 you can write this one also, no problem. Okay, and you write arrow PF by FR. Yes, this equal to what? This is what? 0.36 value of this one, and divided by FR equal to what? Now we have got this one, that is FR. Yes, this one is the FR. So you can write this one here. Okay, you can write this one here. So this equal to 2.20 centimeter. Yes, then this equal to what? 0.2 uthai dile ki hobo etu saum 220 after shifting this one point value 9/55. Let that is equation number 2. So definitely these two are equal. Yes. So from equation 1 and 2 we have what? From equation 1 and 2 to we have সমীকৰণ 1 আৰু 2 পৰা আমি পাওঁ কি পাম এটো চাওঁচোন both are equal. That means PE by EQ this equal to PF by this one, that means FR. Okay, so this implies we can write what EF is parallel to what? EF is parallel to QR. Yes, QR. Okay, so now we are getting EF is parallel to QR, অর্থাৎ EF QR ক্ষেত্ৰত সমান হয়, অর্থাৎ parallel হয়. Yes, so that is your answer, and reason is here EF divides the two sides PQ and PR of triangle what? PQR in the same ratio. Therefore we are getting what? EF is parallel to QR. Hope you are understanding this one properly. Yes, and you can able to solve such type of problem if the terms are or numbers are changing also. আশা ৰাখিছোঁ তোমালোকে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্নবোৰ সমাধান কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হোৱা. যদি নাম্বাৰবিলাক বদলি কৰি দিয়ে তেতিয়াও তোমালোকে এইখিনি অতি সহজে সমাধান কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হ'বা.